If you are a small creator and you are struggling to get views and subscribers count on your videos, or you don't even have engagement on your videos, meaning that you are always stuck at 20 to 200 views, then this particular video is for you. But if you've already grown your channel and you are getting thousands or millions of views and subscribers already on your channel, then please skip this video, because this particular video is not for you. Now, the rest of us that are left, let's focus. I made this particular video specifically for small creators just like you and me watching it right now, because you must have been a small creator before you stayed to watch this particular video to this particular seconds or minutes. The reason why most creators on YouTube fails or fall out is based on these few things that I'm about to share with you guys on this particular video. How and why some creators or some YouTubers stop making videos or give up on YouTube. So with the basic knowledge I gathered as a small creator from my past experience up till to date, I'm going to be sharing with you some few things that you actually need to do to grow your channel and what makes channel grow fast. The number one thing that I'm going to be talking about in this particular video is consistency. Understand? So for you to grow on YouTube, you actually need to be consistent. Yes, that's very, very important, because blowing on YouTube or growing up your channel is not something that you should take lightly. It's not something that you can just keep your channel like that and you feel that miracle will come from somewhere. Yes, miracle can actually come from somewhere, because there are some YouTubers or there are some creators that post a video and they just went to sleep. Before they come back or before they wake up from their sleep, they see their channels blowing up. They see that the algorithm has already picked one of their videos and they are currently going viral, getting thousands or millions of views. Yes, that wants to happen, but have it at the back of your mind that it's not everybody that have such luck. And this is not really a bad luck. Before your videos go viral, first that video must be great. Yes, your video must be great, informative, and it must have something impactful that makes people to love that video. Any video that goes viral, or before any videos goes viral, it must be a video that when YouTube recommends it to people, those people actually click to watch it to some, at least some minutes or time before they scroll. Understand? So if your video is not great enough for people to actually sit and watch, then YouTube is not going to recommend such videos to more audience. Create content that is evergreen. Understand? Content that will keep people coming, content that will keep people watching and engaging. You know, such content are the type of content that doesn't fade out. Understand? These are the content that you can make this content this particular year. It keeps getting views slowly, each and every day, each and every month, each and every year. It keeps giving you views. So back to the main topic. For you to make it on YouTube, or for you to stand out on YouTube, the number one thing, like I said, is consistency. That consistency includes patience, because if you are not patient enough to wait for your own time, you might fall out before your time comes. Yes, let's say, you know, as a creator, you don't know when the algorithm will pick your video. You don't know when your video will actually go viral. Let's say your video or one of your videos supposed to go viral by next tomorrow or in the next 2 days. Okay, let me use 4 days as an example. Now you say to yourself, let me be consistent. Note, this is something that you don't know. You don't know that your video will go viral in the next 4 days, but you just feel like, let me start creating this content, let me start being consistent. Then you make your first video, you make video on day 1, you post, you make video on day 2, you post, The first video that you post, you don't get views. You post the second day, you don't get views. You post the third day, you don't get views. Then if you give up, note, you are supposed to go viral on day 4, but you've already posted video for 3 days, remaining just 1 day for you to go viral or for your channel to blow up. Then you stop because you were not getting views on those other days or on the previous days that you posted. So how will you now feel about such kind of thing? This, you will just see it as nothing happened. I gave up and nothing happened. But something could have happened which you stop it halfway. Yes, because you don't know what is coming. You don't know what is coming up as a creator that you are. You don't know which day, watch time, and the exact date that the algorithm will pick your video. So that is why you need consistency and patience, because that's just the key. And aside consistency and patience, I also talk about making evergreen content, like the type of video that keeps people watching, the type of video that keeps people coming each day, even if thousands or millions are not coming at once, but at least it's bringing up people every single day. So I have such type of video on my channel. When I first posted that particular video, the video stopped at around that 200 views, but as time goes on, this particular video start getting views, and this particular video is getting not less than 200 views daily for months now. It's getting like 200 views daily on my channel. So that is what we mean by evergreen content. And also another thing that I'm going to tell you is that as a creator, you need to be creative. Yes, it's not just about setting up your camera and making videos. It's all about being logical, like be creative, logical, and also know what to do. Understand? Because there are some certain things that you need to implement for you to make your video gives you what you want. And in the aspect of creative that I'm talking about, you need to be creative in such a way that if you are trying this today, or if you are trying this in 1 week, you see that that particular method is not working for you, then you have to switch to another thing. Understand? So what you do for 1 month and you see that you have been doing this thing for like 1 month, you are not seeing any results, you are not even seeing any future that shows that this particular tricks that I'm applying on my channel is going to work, then I will advise you to switch, try another different thing. And also know that on YouTube, what works for you might not work for me. That's just it. What works for Mr. A might not work for Mr. B. That's why some people do copies other people's content. Let's say you scroll on YouTube, then you see someone that has millions of views on his video, then you go and copy the words that he said. Like you want to replicate that kind of video, you replicate the video, and some people even went as far as copying the person description and some tags to post on his phone, including the hashtags. Then your own end up dying without getting views as expected. So that is why I'm telling you now that what works for Mr. A might not work for Mr. B. That's just it. Everybody have their own different faces as a creator or as a YouTuber. So consistency, patience, and dedication is what that keeps you going. That is it. So be creative, try out different things on your channel, like different methods. I'm not talking about different types of video or making random videos on across all niche. No, first, before you start your channel, I believe you must have know your niche. You must have picked your own niche that you want to focus on. You must have known the types of content that you want to be publishing on your channel. So just focus around that particular circumference. Understand? Just focus on it, make content, different types of things around it. the way you put your description this time, by next time ensure to tweak it a little bit more. Understand? Let it not be the same thing. The kind of settings that you implemented on the other one, try to make some other changes. Understand? So that's also what I'm trying to say. But the best thing is consistency, creativity, and patience. They work hand to hand. They are working together. So that's also things that you need to know as a small creators who have passions or who sees the future of content creation or futures of YouTube. So if this is what you actually want to be doing, you want to make money off YouTube, then you have to have that patience. Your channel might not blow up overnight. Your channel might not have thousands or millions of views, but with time it's going to have. That's just it. Even Mr. Beast, the most famous YouTuber that we know about today, Mr. Beast didn't start in one day. Understand? So a lot of things that he got, he didn't earn all those things in one day. Mr. Beast also tried a lot of things, tried a lot of strategies to get to where he is right now. So that is why even we as a small creator, we also need to try out different things to know what actually works for us. So I will encourage you to be consistent. Understand? Just take time to create a great video, because video is not just about setting your camera, just like I said before, and be saying anything that comes through your mind. You just have to be creative. Just know what you are doing. Make sure that your video is great enough for people to watch. People might not watch your video today. It doesn't mean that they will not watch it tomorrow. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. See you on the next one. Bye.